In this video, I'll show you guys how to set up a new PC or laptop by installing all essential apps with just one click in 2026. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search Chris Titus tool and check the official site. Scroll down, just copy this command and go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Just paste the command we copied using Ctrl V and press enter. Once this overlay opens up in browser, select the application you want. Communications, select the application you want. Development, select the application you want. Document, select the application you want. Games, select the games you want, like Game Launcher, Epic Games, Steam. Microsoft Tools, select the tools you want to install. Multimedia tools, you can select the application you want. I selected Equalizer APO. Pro Tools, you can select the one you like. Utilities, I'm going with 7-zip. Once you selected all the required applications for your system, select this install and update applications option. You can able to see all the applications started downloading and installing on its own in the Windows PowerShell. After you seen this message, installs have finished. Just close off here and go to desktop and you can able to see all the selected applications installed in your system. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.